Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete messages on Messenger for both sides. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Messenger app. And after that, go ahead and find the chat where you wanted to remove a message. Okay. And once that's done, let's just go ahead and test a message right here. Hello. Just like so. And if you change your mind, you don't want to send it anymore, you can just go ahead and tap and hold and just tap on unsend. Okay. Now you'll have two options, unsend for everyone or delete for me. Now, if you want to delete for both you and the receiver, well, go ahead and select unsend for everyone. Okay. But you will notice that this note right here, you deleted the message, will be available. Okay. Both you and the receiver will be able to see this. Now, if you select, for example, tap and hold, unsend, delete for me, as you can see, tap on remove, by the way, as you can see, it doesn't have any notes. But the problem with this is that the receiver will still see your message, but not in your phone. And that is it. That's how simple it is to delete messages on Messenger for both sides. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.